Okay, it's All City Auctioneers here again, and you just seen the sign there for our website, bcsurplus.com. That's the online auction site where we're conducting our online auctions. This here is one of the government surplus vehicles included in our next auction on November the 1st, 2023. It is a 2013 Freightliner Coronado 192 with a wet kit. DD15 6-cylinder diesel. You go through all the information there. You can see a lot of that information on our description online. So this is government surplus, came from one of the local municipalities, so well maintained, you know that. Tires, rubber on this seem to be in really good condition. Looks like they're Michelin's. BFGs here on the outside. I think there were some Michelin's here. Michelin double or durable technology there. So recaps probably, obviously. Lots of tread left on those. Air ride suspension on the back here. Fifth wheel hitch that's fixed. It's not a slider. So like I said, these we drive these around our yard here just to kind of test them out. Everything does get towed to our location, so you know they aren't driven here, but we do drive them around our yard to just kind of go through and test them. There's a wet kit here. There's the hydraulic lines there for it. But yeah, fires right up, runs and drives. I mean, I'll climb inside obviously and let you hear it fire it all up. There you go. I'll just see if I can climb up here with one hand. So interior is pretty you know, clean. I mean, obviously for a, you know, a work truck like this. I'll just pause here. So yeah, DD15, which is a 14.8 liter diesel, 455 horsepower. And yeah, so wheelbase is 192. Got an Eaton Fuller, I believe it's an 18-speed transmission, 46,000 pound rears, and let me see, I don't know what's on the front there, but pictures of this are all included on our website. So let me see here. I'll just I'm gonna pop this. Ouch, I just pinched my finger, that hurt. So front tires again, Michelin's, look to be in pretty good condition. Truck overall, you know, you probably put it right on the road, but it does have to be inspected because of course the cities, all the cities operate under a preventative maintenance program, and the inspection system that they have for commercial vehicles is non-transferable. And if you didn't know that, that applies to, I do believe, all municipalities, but you know, maybe the smaller ones it doesn't be, but this one here it does, definitely. So I'll pop inside here and fire it up. Gotta make sure I have the key. Yes, I do, in my pocket. So fairly well equipped, you know, air ride seat here. There we go, back cycler national, it looks like, seat. So lots of different controls. I wouldn't say this is a warm start, you know, but I did just move the vehicle. 463,203.9 kilometers. I don't know if that my info thing here. Nope, I probably got to have the vehicle running. So clutch in, key in, all the warning lights come on, of course, and then they all go off after the vehicle's been running. So there we go there. So let me go, my info, trip information, fuel. I'm going to turn the volume down on that radio. Diagnostic, setup, vehicle. Oh, let's go trip, fuel, engine. diagnostic. Oops. How the heck do I get in there now? There we go, hit the wrong button. Engine kilometers, 463,149. Engine hours is 16,804. There you go, there, liters, diagnostic, no active faults. Fuel level, battery, and away you go. So like I said, everything seems to work and operate. There's all your controls. Air pressure's all up where it's supposed to be. Fuel's down about 1/4 of a tank. So nowadays that could be $1,000 alone. I'll now get out and let you listen to the motor. Well, that was really easy. Wow. Didn't even have to use second arm. Now I'll go over to the other side. And so again, this is selling on November the 1st, 2023. Highest bidder wins. There is no minimum price. There is no starting price. We are all city auctioneers. We're located in Langley, British Columbia, and that's a few of the other vehicles and equipment that are included in this sale, including all those antique light fixtures there. Everything sells. Highest bidder. Hope you get into the bye-bye auction.